Hi, Troy Brown, team leader for the Bald Guy team with Home Smart Professionals here again. Just to touch on another topic, we've got numerous buyers that come up here and we find them a home, we get them under contract to move forward on the acquisition of that property. And we do work with a lot of cash buyers, finance buyers and whatnot, but those cash buyers, they have a lot more latitude. But addressing this question applies to everybody looking for a home, okay? I get the question, why do I need to have a home inspection? Okay, well, you don't have to have a home inspection. I just strongly recommend it, okay? I got a home inspection on my own home, and here's why. Let's just say you're making a $200,000 investment, $250,000 on up. It doesn't matter. The point is, it's a huge investment, one of the largest investments you're going to make in your lifetime. What is $400 to $500, $600, depending on the size of the home? That's such a drop in the bucket in comparison. I mean, you need to get someone out there that has been trained and knows what they're looking for. They're under the home, in the home, on top of the home, in the attic, all appliances, all electrical, plumbing, the heating and air conditioning and whatnot. They're looking at all these amenities, the functionality of the home, so that you can determine if you want to fix a few things, or if it's a total disaster zone, you're going to want to pull out. You're going to want to cancel that transaction so that you're not investing your hard-earned money into something that you may not be able to resell or fix. So that, in a nutshell, is why I always recommend, and so do my fellow team members, why you should have a home inspection. All right, any other questions? Give me a holler, 833 Bald Guy. We're here to help. Take care.